Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing this Costco Yakisoba stir fry with seasoned chicken. We've got everything that we need assembled here. So we've got our yakisoba, we've got some olive oil, or you can use whatever cooking oil you would like. I'm going to use some tongs to mix this all up with. You can use a spoon if you'd like. A meat thermometer, and we've got a wok here for me, but you could also use a large saute pan, whichever you prefer. But first, we're gonna get our pan preheating on medium-high. Now that our pan is heated on medium-high, I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 ounces of our cooking oil. I'm just gonna eyeball this and throw in what I think I need. Next, we're gonna go ahead and add only the vegetables and just cook those and kind of stir them around for 2 minutes. Now, as I'm letting my veggies cook, I'm noticing that some of these pieces of chicken are very large, so I'm just gonna take my knife and just kind of cut them up a little. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, it's been a few minutes. I'm gonna go ahead next and add all of my chicken. Then we're just gonna stir that up and let it cook for about another 2-3 minutes. All right, now that this has cooked a little bit, we're gonna add in our noodles and sauce. And then we're just gonna stir all of that up really well, and we're gonna cook it for about another minute. All right, guys, it's been about another 5 minutes. I wanted to get my veggies a little bit more done, but now we are done with our yakisoba. Of course, you can cook the veggies to however much you would like to have them done. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we give you a full review and let you know if we would buy this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.